Do you want to see big improvements in your art, build drawing confidence, all under 10 minutes per day? This one powerful drawing exercise changed the way I draw and it only takes a pen and a piece of paper. I'm diving into a ridiculously simple technique that trains your eye, observational skills, and forces you to let go of perfection. Whether you're a beginner or intermediate artist, you'll want to watch till the end to make sure you get the best results.
Continuous line drawing. When I first started doing continuous line drawings at university, I honestly thought they were pointless. I didn't understand how drawing a subject without lifting my pencil would help me, but I stuck with it. And over time, I realized it was a great exercise to improve my overall drawing skill. It helped me focus on what I was seeing rather than what I thought about the object. This exercise trains your hand-eye coordination by forcing you to focus on what you see rather than what you think you see. I recommend using a real-life object, but if you don't have one, you can use a photograph like I am here. You can also use a pen like I am, or you can use a pencil. The important thing is to really study the object. Don't rush it. Remember, you can always pause and rewind this video to see how I do it.
So my first tip for this drawing exercise is that you can do it whenever you're on the go. You don't have to just do this continuous line drawing exercise on still lifes. You can do it on a portrait whilst looking at a photo of a landscape, of an animal. There's so many different ways that you can utilize this drawing technique. You can also do it when you're on the go as well. On a train, public transport is perfect opportunity to practice your drawing skill.
Take your time with this exercise. Slow down. And concentrate on what you see. Focus on reflections, the edges, and how light interacts with the surface. Don't worry if you need to go over the same line twice. This isn't about perfection, but about improving your accuracy. Drawing is all about truly seeing what's in front of you, not just what your brain assumes is there. The more you train yourself to observe, the more accurate your drawings will become. Now you've built up your focus and observational skills with continuous line drawing, the next step will make you pay attention to how forms, shadows, and proportions come together. When I was new to continuous lines, I couldn't believe how many details I had missed, especially objects like this. I thought a mug was simple, but the more I observed, the more I noticed the complexity, the subtle twist of the handle, how the shadows fall across the surface. This exercise taught me to slow down, focus, and really pay attention to how light, shape, and space interact. Benefits include improves understanding of form and structure, encourages careful observation of shadows and proportions, builds confidence in capturing details without relying on memory. Use the same technique as in the spoon drawing, but now focus on a mug. Don't lift your pen or pencil as you draw. Pay close attention to the saucer if you're drawing one and how the shadows fall. Observe the curves and how they flow into one another. Pay attention to how the handle connects to the body of the mug. The more you focus on subtle details, the more accurate your drawings will become. If you're enjoying these drawing exercises to improve your drawing skill and accuracy, don't forget to like, subscribe to Portrait Guru, and give me a comment below with your favorite drawing exercise. It really helps promote and support the channel, which I highly appreciate.
Make sure you slow down on some parts. Really observe what you're looking at and really draw what you're seeing, not what you think you're seeing. This is a really important part because you don't want to rush the observational skills that you're developing within this drawing exercise. So some parts in the details, slow down, take it easy, really observe. And then for the more flowing parts, or the parts where you feel a bit more comfortable, you can increase your speed. So just add in a mixture of different line speeds and variations.
Now that you've got your pen moving across the page, try to notice the small shifts in the surface of the mug, the tiny curves, the way the lip of the cup isn't perfectly circular, and how even a slight tilt changes the shadows. Don't rush over these details. Take a moment to pause on each section and really study it with your eyes. Sometimes your hand will want to move faster than your observation. That's normal. The key here is to let your eyes lead and let your hand follow. If you catch yourself making assumptions, slow down and retrace what you see, not what you think you see. This is the real magic of continuous line drawing. It trains you to see more deeply. You can also play with pressure whilst you draw. A lighter touch can suggest subtle edges or highlights, whilst a heavier line can reinforce shadowed areas. It's almost like shading with just the thickness of your line. Don't be afraid to experiment. Each pass teaches your hand and eye how to communicate better. Another useful tip is to vary your pace across different sections. Spend more time on areas that are tricky, like the handle or the base, and let simpler areas flow naturally. Want to go even deeper? Join the Portrait Guru membership for exclusive shorts, behind the scenes content, and exclusive chat rooms to help improve your art with fellow gurus. It's a way to support the channel and your own artistic journey. Check out the link in the description about different membership options. This uneven attention mimics real observation. You won't always spend equal time on every part of the object, and that's perfectly acceptable.
If you're a beginner and you're really inconsistent with your daily drawing exercises, I'll link a video to develop strong drawing habits in the top right corner of this video that you can check out. But one drawing hack that I do is that I set a 30-minute timer on my phone, and I just dedicate those 30 minutes to drawing. So you know that every day you're at least clocking up 30 minutes of drawing practice. You don't have to sit around not knowing what to draw. This is a great drawing hack, and I really do recommend you trying it out.
Once you get comfortable with this technique, you'll notice your drawings becoming more accurate, more dynamic, and easier to tackle even the most complex of subjects, whether you're working from life, photos, or even imagination. Hand-eye coordination improves. Your attention to detail sharpens, and suddenly capturing complex forms starts to feel a lot less intimidating.
So definitely try this drawing exercise out. Let me know how you got on with this exercise in the comments section below. And did you enjoy this drawing exercise, and has it improved your drawing skill?
If you're ready to take your skills even further, I've got another video where we dive into more drawing exercises designed to push your observation and line work to the next level. Make sure to check out that next and keep building the kind of drawing skills that really makes a difference.